I'm the spirit of 3D. Wait, people need 3D glasses to see me. 3D.
You're throwing 3D glasses at people. I would put them on, but then I'd be wearing 3 pairs of glasses.
Ooh, now they can see me.
Are they actually like in 3D? Do the glasses work?
Yes!
Someone go up. Someone put them on and go up and try to look.
Watch this, Tom. 3D.
Hey, send one up for Harmonious, and we'll send you some atomic fireballs. There you go. You want some atomic fireballs? Shoot them at the American Adventure. You know what? Do that.
Go stand there.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're supposed to be in 3D, right? What are you doing? What is this? No! Damn it, Moana! Try again. There's tape stuck to the glasses.
Welcome to The Price is Right. All right. We got the Grogu Halloween towel set. There's 2 of them. What do you think the retail price of this one is?
$21.
$21. All right. Is she correct? No, she's not. By how much, though? Oh! Here we go lower. Let's see lower. All right. Let's see. Let's punch another bob.
I'll do park passes.
All right. There you go. All right.
This is News Today with WDW News Today. I'm Tom Corliss of WDWNT.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the latest happenings from the Disney theme parks around the world, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you get in the know every time we release a new video. Here now are the top stories for October 31st, 2022, Halloween. The Walt Disney World ambassadors released a video on their Instagram of them telling cast members throughout the Walt Disney World Resort that they will be a part of the opening team for TRON Lightcycle run at the Magic Kingdom. It seemed like this day may never come, but it's finally here. We got our first look at what the cast members will be wearing at that attraction back at the 2019 D23 Expo. You're looking at that now. TRON Lightcycle run, of course, is scheduled to open in the spring of 2023. A man tried to take his child to the Magic Kingdom for free, and instead it cost him a trip to jail. Beka Krizin, a 37-year-old Romanian citizen who lives in Virginia, was arrested in the bizarre situation that unfolded on August 19th, according to a newly released Orange County Sheriff's Office report. Krizin is charged with 2 counts of misdemeanor battery, the court records show. Krizin made his way through the turnstiles at the front of the Magic Kingdom without paying or showing a pass, the sheriff's arrest report said. A Disney security manager tried to stop Krizin and wanted Krizin to either explain himself or show his ticket. Instead, he pushed past the Disney manager's left shoulder and kept going. A Disney investigator followed him down Main Street, USA, and tried to intervene, but again, Krizin pushed him out of the way, too. The 2 Disney employees were not injured, the report noted. Throughout the encounter, Krizin acted as if he didn't know English, the Disney cast members stated. In reality, Krizin, quote, has a good command of the English language, said the sheriff. The Orange County Sheriff's Office was called in to assist Disney, and a deputy reviewed video surveillance that showed, quote, Krizin walking through the front entrance with 1 child without using a ticket media of any kind and not paying for admission. The cost of admission for both would have been $210, according to the report. The report did not give the child's age. The sheriff's deputy also interviewed Krizin, quote, who kept pretending for some time that he could not speak English. A little over 2 hours later, Krizin began to speak and understand English, the report said. He was arrested and taken to Orange County Jail. The 2 Disney employees, who were ages 50 and 38, wanted to prosecute him and agreed to testify in court. Quote, Krizin resides in Virginia due to living out of state of Florida. His bonds were doubled. Krizin's attorney did not respond to a request for comment for this story. He has pleaded not guilty to the criminal charges, according to the Orange Circuit Court records. It's not the first time someone tried to sneak into the Magic Kingdom, probably won't be the last, but of course last year a 31-year-old man was arrested for walking up the berm of the park and scaling the fence, and then he tried to make a quick outfit change at Tony's Town Square restaurant in the restrooms and was caught. It was a great, you should go back and read that one. That one's fun too. Following an extended hiatus that dates back to the closure due to COVID in March of 2020, Andy's Toys have returned to Toy Story Land for meet and greets at Hollywood Studios. We found Buzz Lightyear meeting guests over by Slinky Dog Dash. The return of the characters was previously announced, but no date was given. But cast members told us that as of Sunday, all 3 Toy Story pals are back every day. Woody and Jessie could be seen near the entrance of Toy Story Mania as they were before. The return of these characters marks just one of the many entertainment offerings coming back to Disney's Hollywood Studios over the next week, with Fantasmic, of course, set to light up the night once more starting November 3rd, and the Green Army Drum Corps will return on November 6th, again to Toy Story Land. We recently found some jaw-dropping new merchandise at the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror gift shop, the Tower Hotel Gifts at the studios. You may remember we reported back in June that there was new merchandise starting to arrive, and now there are some more new items that we found. There's a Hollywood Tower Hotel permanent resident t-shirt for $39.99. It's a short sleeve shirt that has a large image of Mickey Mouse in his 1939 garb against a black and white, slightly distressed background. With his white suit and fedora, Mickey is giving an inquisitive look as if egging onlookers to take advantage of the offer. The shirt says you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Of course, that's a slightly altered as not to pay CBS version of the line that actually ends the attraction, where you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone. But in the background is a silhouette of the hotel with TOT running down the left side of the building. The hotel logo, HTH, in the middle of a shield, flanked by 2 dragons and topped with a crown, is silk-screened on the left sleeve. The entire black t-shirt has a distressed design that looks like abstract images of the hotel in a ghostly gray. The Hollywood Tower Hotel Elevator Repair Raglan hoodie is $49.99. This lightweight two-tone gray and burgundy Raglan hoodie is perfect for almost year-round wear. Of course, you live, here. It also has a front pocket. Set against a burgundy background in a yellow color 19th century style font, the shirt features the name of the hotel with the elevator floor indicator on the left, and beneath Elevator Repair is the logo of the hotel in 1939, and appropriately enough, Goofy as the elevator repairman. And though service and parts are available 24 hours, the shirt warns our prices are always falling, and we can't guarantee it's fixed. The back of the hoodie features the Hollywood Tower Hotel logo in the upper center of the shirt in gold. There's also a Hollywood Tower Hotel Raglan shirt for $39.99, which has a gray body, burgundy long sleeves and collar, and the Hollywood Tower Hotel advertised in burgundy across the front. It's set against a stormy moonlit sky, the hotel rising up from the year. And on either side of the name of the hotel are California and U.S., noting its California location. The hotel logo is at the bottom. Framing the design is "Late one fateful night, and they disappeared out of sight," a warning to all who want to check in. Last but not least, there is a new Hollywood Tower Hotel bellhop hat, this new version for $24.99. They simply redid the design again. They changed the logo on the front and on the top now. The last version had the gold HTH symbol. The new one just has what very often gets used as the icon of the park now, which is the Tower of Terror in that Art Deco style box. But nonetheless, if you're like me and you got to have every bellhop hat ever from Tower of Terror, you'll need to pick this up. Again, all of this found in the exit shop at Tower of Terror at Hollywood Studios. You can support the entire team behind the show and others by joining the WDWNT Interglobe Society at patreon.com/WDWNT. Get access to exclusive content, discounted show and event tickets, access to our Discord community, and more. Special shout out to all the WIGS members who make this show happen every week. The Dino Diner, a quick service cart in DinoLand, USA, has been replaced now by a regular old ice cream cart. At the former site of Primeval Whirl, a seating area has grown by a few more benches. Let's take a closer look. Where a hot food cart once stood, a cold food cart has taken over. The front of the cart has the Dino Institute logo and the words ice cream, and there's also a beverage cart in the back and on the side. More seating has also been added to the former site of Primeval Whirl. Benches now line the wooden blue wall, and trash cans are situated in the middle of the seating area, and yet people still say they don't want Moana. Anything's got to be better than this. This thing is just limping towards the finish line. Kona Cafe officially soft opened over the weekend at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. It's scheduled to officially open on Tuesday, but it did open 2 days early. We have a look at the menu and more. Of course, very little remains from the previous look of Kona Cafe, with the style shifting to match the refurbishments done of the last few years. As previously noted, there's now an awning over the front of the restaurant. The breakfast menu appears unaltered, so Tonga toast lovers, you can rejoice. The lunch menu is also untouched, albeit some of the sushi options are back after a long absence. The dinner menu is where we see the biggest changes. The sautéed red quinoa is a new plant-based option for dinner. The sushi menu also, again, has those options that were removed during the COVID closure and had not returned. There is a full video tour of the new restaurant right here on our channel you can watch. Earlier this month, the fountain near the Lime Garage at Disney Springs randomly broke. And last week, a scrim was erected around the fountain as repairs began, but now the repairs are mostly complete. In fact, they have fixed the fountain. It's not running at this time, but they fixed it. We do expect it'll be running again relatively soon. The 100 Years of Wonder celebration for the centennial anniversary of the Walt Disney Company is bringing entertainment and more to Disneyland Paris in 2023. Building on Disneyland Paris's 30th anniversary, 100 Years of Wonder will also come to life at the resort, starting with an exclusive moment during their New Year's Eve party and followed by a year of surprises. To mark the 100-year anniversary on October 16, 2023, guests will be treated to one-of-a-kind entertainment programs, character performances, and exclusive Disney activities throughout the day. Celebration merchandise will feature, quote, platinum theming, and pictured now is a Mickey ear hat and a Minnie ear headband with the platinum design that'll be available. After October 16th, additional never-before-seen exclusive activities will also take place at Disneyland Paris. Tickets for the New Year's Eve party and the October 16th event are available now at DisneylandParis.com. Stay tuned for more details as they are announced. The Walt Disney Company, of course, celebrating its 100th anniversary next year, and the celebrations are beginning on New Year's Eve this year around the world. In addition to the special moment during the festivities in Paris, fans can watch New Year's Rockin' Eve on ABC for the official start of the celebration. Shanghai Disney Resort is closing indefinitely once again due to COVID-19, and the closure is effective immediately. Here's the full release from Shanghai Disney. Quote, in order to follow the requirement of pandemic prevention and control, Shanghai Disney Resort, including Shanghai Disneyland, Disneytown, and Wishing Star Park, will be closed starting Monday, October 31st with immediate effect. We will notify guests as soon as we have a confirmed date to resume operations. We apologize for the inconvenience and will provide refunds or exchanges for all guests impacted during this period. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. Video of an impressive new Banshee animatronic has surfaced, sadly not from Pandora, the world of Avatar at Disney's Animal Kingdom at Walt Disney World, but instead from the newly opened Avatar experience at Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. Avatar, the experience, opened on October 28, 2022 at Cloud Forest in Gardens by the Bay. This immersive experience brings two worlds together and opens your eyes to the magnificent story of Avatar, the highest-grossing film of all time. You check out just how lifelike this TRON animatronic is in the video that was shared on Twitter. Of course, riding a Banshee or an TRON is central to the premise of the popular Disney World attraction Flight of Passage, yet you can't encounter a Banshee in this way. It would be great to see in the land, but yet that's kind of where the land fell short, right? On River Journey and in the land, not a whole lot of moving, living creatures. But who knows, we do have a whole new Avatar movie coming out in December, and if it succeeds, maybe we get that expansion for Pandora. I'm hoping for it. For more on these stories and also the many that we post that don't make it to the show, make sure you read WDWNT.com daily and follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. This program is brought to you by our official travel agent sponsor, The Vacationeer, the engineers of your next magical vacation. Sit back and let their team of vacation planning experts craft your family's next magical Disney trip. The best part, their services are free. Visit WDWNT.travel for details. For the worldwide leader in Disney Parks news, this is Tom Corliss saying, enjoy the rest of your today and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. And happy Halloween, everyone.
This is Disney Entertainment News Today. I'm Rob Whiteside, and here now are the top Disney entertainment stories.
For the latest in Disney entertainment news, watch Disney Entertainment News Today, hosted by Rob Whiteside. From movies and series news to stage shows, books, video games, and more. New episodes drop every Tuesday on WDWNT.tv.